Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix TikTok not eligible to the For You feed. So there are reasons why you encounter this problem. And one of the reasons or some reasons is that number one, violation of community guidelines, copyright violations, it could be music, videos, images, text, logos, trademarks, high volume of skip videos, shadow ban filters, irrelevant hashtags, low engagement, and followers. But don't worry if there is a solution to that. So if ever you encounter video not eligible, then what you're going to do is you have to go back to your TikTok application, go to your profile. Your profile is at the bottom right corner. And then here you have to click this three lines. And then you have to tap the settings and privacy. Now, under settings and privacy, you have to scroll down here till you see report a problem, and that is under supports and about. So once you're here, you have to click this account and profile, click profile page, and then wait as it is processing. Now, here are the suggested articles and ways on how to solve the problem. But if you can't see the reason why, then all you have to do is to simply scroll down and then look for other or tap this other right here. And then after that, what you're going to do next is to simply scroll down and then look for need more help. So tap this one right here. And then you have to simply state or describe your main issue and what is the problem you're encountering. So for example, our tutorial is all about TikTok not eligible to the For You feed. So you can ask them a help on how to fix this one. Like you can also say that please help me. I cannot upload, I cannot post this video, but I think it hasn't or it does not violate anything, something like that. If you have created your own video and then you can post it. Or you can just simply ask them to remove this notification and then click send and wait for their customer service team to help you with this matter. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.